What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry for the bad lighting for the intro. I look real orange right now. But that's because it's nighttime and I decided I wanted to film a room tour. I just recently moved into this house like almost 2 months ago. So I finally got my room to a place that I'm satisfied with for the moment, but I do like to change stuff frequently, and I'm actually already thinking about changing some things. So I just wanted to do a room tour of my room, how it is right now. So I hope you like this video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So if you notice, my room has two halves. It has a sitting area and then it has the main room over here. I'm gonna start with this part. So over here I have my favorite part of my room, and I'm not even exaggerating, which is my speaker. This speaker, if it will freaking focus, is the truth. Let me just say that this speaker gets so loud. Like, it'll sound like you have a whole stereo and it's just this little thing. Sorry, side note. This is my bathroom, but I'm not gonna do a tour of my bathroom. This is my dresser. I didn't want a vanity with a mirror because I have a pretty large mirror in my bathroom. So I wanted one without a mirror. I got this from Rooms To Go Outlet. Shout out for Rooms To Go Outlet. They have furniture at discounted prices, furniture that's quote unquote damaged. Even though this dresser really had nothing wrong to it that I could find anyways, it would look fine to me. So up here I just have my candle from Bath and Body Works that I need to get more of. Mirror up here and me. This is a tequila bottle, so I purposely bought this tequila because it has a D on it for Diona, or what is it called? DeLeon or whatever. Yeah, anyways, it's now D for Diona and it was silver, so it matched the aesthetic of this. I have this little green plant that has been with me since my very first apartment. Anyways, out here are just some perfumes. These are not all of my perfumes, but these are the perfumes that kind of went with the color of my room. If you see, they're kind of like purple and black, most of them, or kind of like a pinkish color. The rest of my perfumes are other places. Have a little incense holder thing, whatever you call it. I need some more incense. Ran out of my other candle here, and then my freaking lamp that I love so much is a mirrored lamp. Got this lamp from Ross for $30, I'm gonna say. It was like $29.99. And yeah, so that's my dresser. I'm not gonna go into what's in the drawers or whatever because I don't think anybody cares about that. So next is my bed. So the headboard and the frame I got from Macy's. Macy's does have furniture, if y'all never knew that. And then my mattress and my base is different because I don't have a box spring. I have like an adjustable base where I can lift my bed, which actually came free when I bought my mattress. And they did have another base where you can lift your head and your feet, but I didn't feel like spending extra money on that because I thought it was just cool that I can lift my head. But it can go pretty high, as you can see, but I don't like to lift it all the way. Like, this is probably too high for me. But I just use this if I want to like lay in bed and like sit up and watch TV, or if I'm like sitting up to like edit a video or something, I'll just sit up. And the only thing about the other base too is that it had a wireless remote and it wasn't wired like this one, but who cares? Like, I just thought having an adjustable base was cool on its own, so I really didn't care if it had a wire or not. And I have a sign up here that says blessings, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. There it goes. It says blessings and it's so dope. I love it. Also, my nightstand, I got this from Rooms To Go Outlet. So it's like a three-part nightstand. Let me move that out of the way. So the first part is this right here, which I have no freaking clue what that's for. I originally thought maybe this would be for jewelry, and maybe this is the damaged part, because usually if it was for jewelry it would have like a velvet coating right here and you would stick your jewelry in it. But and then someone else is like, well, you can use it like as a table or something. So I'm like, I can, but I don't really. But I like it though. I think it's cool. And then here, I don't really have anything in here. I have like a case and a lighter. And then down here, I just keep camera equipment, and I have the tripod that I'm using right now. I'll keep it in there. This is another lens for my camera. This is my little headphones case. I got this from Amazon. It's so cute. These aren't AirPods, so I call them headphones. And my freaking phone case. I love this. It's so cute. And a candle. So here's my full-length mirror that I love. I got this from At Home. and I just put some Christmas lights around it. But honestly, I think I'm probably gonna put some LED lights around it, kind of to match my my blessing sign back there. So this is probably gonna change really soon. And then over here is just my TV. It's on Netflix right now, you know, the Netflix loading screen. I don't know, I need to get a new TV stand. My TV, okay, so my room is set up really weird. I'm the person that likes to have their TV in front of their bed, but the way my room is set up, it's like I couldn't really, so I had to squeeze it into this corner. It's like I could have put it in this corner, but I didn't want to because I liked my mirror better in that corner. So it's just sitting on this for now, but that's very, very temporary. I'm actually about to get rid of that. So going into the little sitting area here, it's a little overview. So I guess I'll start over here. If you've been on my channel before in the past, this and this may look familiar, and it's because this actually used to be in my bathroom at my old house. It was pink, and I kind of just transferred that decoration and that theme into the sitting area. So I have that pineapple and just a little nightstand that used to be in my room, and a pink candle, my tripod, and over here is just a rug and whatever you call that thing, a storage ottoman. That's a closet right there, but it's like, it's organized, but it's still a mess. It's an organized mess, and we ain't going in there. This is my desk that honestly, truly, I don't really use. Let's just be honest, I really don't sit at this desk as much as I should. Maybe that will change. Maybe it's because that chair is not that comfortable. Yeah, I got that chair from IKEA, and it is not the most comfortable thing in the world. This rug I got from Ross. That rug there, it was actually in my bathroom at my old house, and I decided to put it here because I wanted this pink theme. And on this side of my desk is just some like little storage cubes that I have, like an old laptop and a little coin jar and some paper and books. And then up here is my vision board and my computer, my planner, and my other perfumes that were pink and didn't go with the aesthetic of the other room, so I kind of just put it over here. And my jewelry is also over here because it was gold, and the other side of my room is kind of silver, so I just stuck it over here. This is actually another entrance to my room. Like I can enter in through here, and I also have another door, but I never use this door really. I just keep it closed all the time. And this is just a little seating area where I like to just sit and chill. And then my little favorite pictures here that was in my room at my old house, but I just moved it over here because it's like a cute little sitting area. My little fake Louis Vuitton bag sitting on this chair that I got from Ross, because what is Ross? My favorite home goods store. Black blanket that's comfortable, and where did I get the blanket from? Ross. And yeah, my little rug there that I got from Ross. But this is just my little sitting area room. I really want to change this room completely on this side. That's why I said I'm probably going to change some things. Like, it's cute for now, but I kind of want to change up the vibe. But I mean, that will be further down the road, not right away. And that is it, y'all. Like, I don't know, I hope you like the room tour. All right, you guys, so the intro that I had was crappy, so I decided to record a new one. But anyways, that was my room tour. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. And that's it. Adios till next time.